let me show you what I got for breakfast today. So we got an egg muffin from Starbucks. Just look at that. And of course, a black Americano because we're trying to cut our calories. Let's get rolling. What's up, crew? So today I'm gonna talk about my fitness journey and 3 things that I've learned throughout, so hopefully some of you can relate and others can take from. Who knows? Alright, let's get straight into it. Number 1 is definitely finding your sport. When I was growing up, I was always quite sporty, but believe it or not, I was scrawny as hell. This was me in 2013, before I even lifted one single dumbbell, and this is me literally last week. I remember when I first started, I couldn't even lift a 2 kg dumbbell. At the end of the day, we enjoyed it, so that's why we have stuck with it. Look guys, I'm not trying to say that lifting weights is the way to go, but what I'm trying to say is that you need to find a sport that you enjoy at the end of the day, or else you're not gonna stick with it. If you're looking into lifting weights, then what are you doing, man? Follow me on Instagram. I post my workouts and workout ideas almost every day. I will put the link right here, or you can click the link in the description below.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.
Guys, I'm literally walking around London aimlessly, looking for a convenient spot I can mount my camera so I can talk to you guys through the camera like a damn weirdo. So, number 2 is definitely consistency for me. If you want to get good at something, you gotta stay consistent with it and do it over and over and over again, man. This ties in with my first point, which is why it is so important for you to find something that you enjoy, man, that will make things so much easier. I know a lot of you might be wondering, but Jackie, how do I know if I will enjoy something if I never even tried it? Well, then my advice for you would be, try it, bro. What you gotta lose?
Together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
So, the third and final thing that I've learned from the gym is definitely pushing yourself. You gotta realize, at one point in your life, no one's gonna push you anymore. So no one's gonna tell you to exercise, no one's gonna tell you to eat healthier. That shit's gotta come from you now. So if you're not pushing yourself, then what are you doing, bro? And for me, health is probably the most important thing. You can have the most money in the world, but if you're sick, you can't do anything about it. Anyways, if you made it all the way to this part of the video, I would appreciate if you can click the like button below or click subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It's time for me to hit the gym. I will talk to all of you guys next week.